Without further ado, let's reveal the numbers on what I made in my first 3 days as a monetized YouTuber. So it took me 10 months to get monetized, and in 3 days of being a monetized YouTuber, I made a whopping What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Caleb Oni Certified and my channel has just been monetized. I want to talk to you guys about how I got here. It took me 10 months to get monetized and I've been monetized for the past 4 days. So I'm going to be revealing the numbers of how much I made in the past 4 days to give you an understanding of what people make from being monetized on YouTube with a small channel. My channel at this point is 1,828 subscribers and it will only grow from here, but I want to show the numbers on what sort of money you'll make in the first few days with a small channel. So if you're new here, I make content on cloud computing and the tech industry, and I've been doing this consistently for the past 10 months now, and I finally reached monetization. I started this channel to document my career progress and help people along the way to understand what I'm doing, and for people who want to get into what I work as, which is a cloud security engineer at the moment, I can help them to get into these roles and give them an understanding of what it's like working in the tech industry. So before I reveal the numbers, let's talk about how I got my channel monetized. To tell you this story, let's go all the way back to where it started. I started this channel in lockdown of 2020, and I only started this channel because I had taken a certain certification and I wanted to make a video showing how I studied for this exam to help others on the internet to study for that same exam. I didn't think many people would watch this video. I showed about 5 of my friends and 3 of my family members, and I really did this just for fun to see what it was like being a YouTuber. About 4 or 5 months down the line, I started to see the video picking up a lot of views, and I started to see people commenting on that video saying, "Thank you so much for making this video, I'm taking this exam soon, this video was really helpful," stuff like that. And I was thinking, wow, I didn't know that people would actually watch this video. I just put it out there for fun. And so when I saw all the comments and the interactions coming from that video, I started to realize the potential for a YouTube channel. And funny enough, that first video that I posted, I later took down from the channel because it was a retired certification that no longer exists, and I didn't want to cause any confusion for people thinking that that certification is still available. After that first video, I made 2 more videos, one being the intro for this channel and the other one being how I passed the AZ900, which are both still on this video, and you can go and watch those videos and see what it was like when I started this YouTube channel. I left those videos on the channel for several months and I saw a little bit of growth here and there. I saw people viewing, 1 or 2 people commenting on how they're going to take the exams soon, and this was very encouraging also. It wasn't until November the 2nd of 2022 that I really decided to become a YouTuber, and that was about 10 months ago now. And it was this video that started the whole thing about the AZ104. I'd taken the AZ104 and I decided to make a video, 2 videos actually, on the AZ104, and both of these videos are over 7,000 views, and this is really what kickstarted my journey on YouTube.
As you study and learn for the AZ104, you will, you'll learn and become well-versed in all of these areas.
If you go back to the channel and watch those 2 videos, you can really see the difference between those videos and the videos I make now. 10 months of progress can make all the difference. I look at those videos back then and I improved each time I made a video. I improved on thumbnails, I improved on the way I speak and my hand gestures. There's so many things that I improved, and I'm just a lot more confident when I'm making videos. Literally sitting here talking to a camera in my bedroom, and I'm so used to it now that it doesn't even faze me. So I guess that's a big lesson for anyone that wants to do this, that wants to get into making YouTube content or any content at all, is just start, and as you go you will learn a lot, and your video from when you started and your video from a few months later will be so different. The quality will be so different, the way you deliver things will be so different, and you'll be so much better in a few months time. or even weeks time. So let's talk about getting monetized. And getting monetized was definitely a journey. So to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours. And it was very clear to me that 1,000 subscribers was going to be the easy part, and 4,000 watch hours was going to be very difficult. Getting that 1,000 subscribers came quite quickly. It came after maybe 5 or 6 months. I can't remember exactly, but that 4,000 watch hours took me a long time. And so the 4,000 watch hours was really boosted by big videos that got a lot of views. Videos like my video on what does an Azure administrator do, that really pushed my watch hours. The day in the life of a cloud engineer, that also really pushed my watch hours. If you want to get that 4,000 watch hours, what really matters is consistency. You got to be consistent. And if you want to get there faster, you've got to be even more consistent. You could be posting once a week. If you really want to push and get to that 4,000 watch hours, start posting twice a week, or start posting more. Posting more of those long form videos every week will really help you get there. Some of them will do really well, some of them won't do as well. Some of them will get 1,000 views in a week, another one will get 100 views in a week. Just keep posting. And that is the key to getting that 4,000 watch hours, being super consistent. It takes discipline. I've learned a lot of discipline during this process, and I think I've really got here because I've never been thinking about making the money, but I've just been enjoying the process of making videos and sharing my experiences. Without further ado, let's reveal the numbers on what I made in my first 3 days as a monetized YouTuber. So it took me 10 months to get monetized, and in 3 days of being a monetized YouTuber, I made a whopping £3.21. Oh, I know what you're thinking. That's tiny. That's nothing. And yeah, you're right. That is nothing. But honestly, content creation is a marathon and not a sprint. And this little number will only grow with time. Honestly, I'm just so happy to have seen some form of income come from content creation, even if it's just £3. And because I know that that £3 will grow as I grow my channel and I go out to other platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn and really push the channel a lot more on those platforms. I know that that income will grow and I'll get so much more and I'll learn so much more, and I'm just excited for the journey. And so if you want to see this £3 grow by a lot more, then please support this channel. Please tell your friends, share to people who are interested in cloud computing and the tech industry. Share these videos to them. Watch the videos from beginning to end. Like and comment, interact with me, and that will really help me earn a lot more. I'll be making a video on what I made in my first month as a monetized YouTuber. So when that time comes, I'm hoping to say a lot more than what I'm making now. I'm hoping for that number to grow so much faster, and hopefully it will, and we'll see in a month's time. So check back to the channel and you guys should really enjoy that video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and comment on this video if you want me to make more money. Remember to follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.